Traders, Andre here, and welcome back to the video. So guys, today we have a video here. We will be looking at the market, analyzing for this coming week, and the setup that I've been looking at is something that I actually did like 2 weeks ago. I haven't been able to update you guys on the weekly updates, but today I'm back with an update. So if you guys have been following me, you know that these are the order block. Let me see, I'm just missing. Okay, this is the order blocks I have been looking at for the past week. Okay, so at the time I was recording this video, I was looking at this order block here. I was looking for a sell, which the market kind of did, and I was able to capitalize on these setups. It's just a pity that I couldn't update you guys. So let's just see what we can do for this coming week. Okay, for this coming week I'm looking for sales on Nasdaq 100. I'm only looking for sales, but that doesn't mean that if I see a good setup to buy, I'm just gonna leave it. I am gonna take buys as well, but the overall trades that I'm looking for are the sales. So as you can see here, I've mentioned in a video back, you can just go back to my channel and look at the video. It's weekly analysis 5 December to 9 December. So I was looking for this imbalance here that was left by the previous CPI. So I'm thinking that the market will drop into this order block, and then we can finally look for buys. So but when the market opens up tomorrow on Nasdaq 100, I will be looking at opportunities to sell. I'll just have to switch on the lower time frames and look for my sell setups. And also I have a trading indicator that I used that kind of helps me with my entries on the lower time frames, and also I've made a video about that on my channel. Then you can just look at the video where I talk about the trading algorithms. So for Nasdaq 100, I'll be looking for sales. Okay, let's just dive into USDT. USDT, I mentioned that I was looking for a sell at the time I was recording the video. So I was looking at this liquidity here. I mentioned that the market can just break out, take out the liquidity, and then just finally sell, which is what happens. What happened here. So yeah, I was able to capitalize on these trades. Like I mentioned, I couldn't update you guys. So right now we are inside of the order block. So on USDT, I will just have to wait and see. We might also be looking for buys on USDT. So for this one, we will just have to wait and see how it plays. I'm kind of seeing another area that I can use here. So yeah, but then most of the time USDT and Nasdaq, they have correlations, meaning that when Nasdaq is selling, probably USDT is also selling. But that's not like to say that it always happens that way all the time. It's just that I've seen it happen most of the time. So on Nasdaq, I'm looking for a sell. So for this one, I'm not gonna be focusing on it too much. I'm just gonna let it play out. So if Nasdaq is selling, then for USDT, I might wait for it to drop into this order block here. Then I'll be looking for my buy as well here. So USDT, I'll be waiting, because I cannot say that I'm looking for sales or buys, because at the moment it's inside the order block. So it might go back up, or it might drop and come inside this order block here. Then so yeah, we'll just have to wait and see. And another pair that I was looking at is AUD USD. This one was picture perfect. I even caught it the moment it entered the order block. Like, this one was perfect. So at the moment I'm thinking AUD USD is gonna fall. maybe up until this order block or this liquidity right about here. So AUD USD also I'm looking for sales. Again, lower time frames, I'm looking for sales on AUD USD. And also we have a nice order block here. And just so you guys are wondering how I draw my order blocks, I have a video on my channel where I teach about how I draw the order block for beginners. So AUD USD, then I'm looking for sales. So probably preferably I'm looking for this pair to kind of break this order block and this liquidity maybe come into this one. Then that's when I might consider buying it. So let's take a look at the Euro USD. Okay, this one it's new pair. I didn't really make an analysis on it. So as you can see, we have liquidity right there, and we had another liquidity here. I can just draw my order blocks real quick here, even though it's a small order block. Well, you get the picture, guys. Trading view is not really doing any justice for me. So Euro USD, I'm thinking of selling it as well, because as you can see here, previously we had our liquidity here. The market gave us a nice fake breakout which reversed in this order block here, and then we closed below that liquidity here. So I'm also looking for sales on Euro USD. We have another order block right there. And by the way, this is daily time frame, guys. If you guys are wondering and want to follow along, then this is just daily time frames. EUD USD is the only pair that I didn't make an analysis on in the previous week. So again, I'm looking for sales up until this area or this order block. Then yeah, that's pretty much the direction for Euro USD for this coming week. So let's jump into GBP USD. Again, GBP USD, I mentioned that we might attack this liquidity here and finally reverse, which is what is happening right now. Also, we are looking for a sell. And what do we have here? We have this nice order block right there. Okay, we have that order block right there. Other one here. What else? Okay. So yeah, GBP USD also looking for a sell. Just wait for the market to do whatever it wants. Then on a lower time frame, I usually use the 5 minutes time frame and the 15 minutes. Then I'll be looking for my sales. And yeah, that's pretty much what we're looking for on GBP USD. Okay, last but not least, we have gold. Gold, it was the same thing. I was looking for this liquidity here to be taken out so that the market can reverse, which it did, and kind of gave us this consolidation thing here. Let me just see if I can extend this one out here. Okay, gold, I'm also thinking of a sale, but it's kind of tricky because as you can see, it broke, attacked the liquidity, and then reversed inside of the order block. Then right now it closed above that liquidity. So I'm thinking of a sale, but I cannot say confidently that we're gonna sell, but I personally think this pair has no business going up, because it pretty much attacked all the liquidity that was lying up here. Like at this, we no longer have the sellers since they got taken out here. So I'm also thinking sell for gold, but I'm not confident about it, but we'll have to wait and see. And yeah, let's just take a real recap. Nasdaq, yes, I'm looking for a sell. USDT, just red light, I'll be waiting and see how the market reacts. AUD USD, I'm looking for a sell. Euro USD, looking for a sell as well. GBP USD, looking for a sell. And gold, same thing. So yeah guys, that's it from me guys. Let's meet tomorrow, and let's print some money guys, and see you on the next one. Bye guys.